Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel today. This is Henrici. I appreciate you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin, and if you've been following through with my videos, I actually said that I was bullish on Bitcoin when Bitcoin hit around 15,000, 16,000, 17,000. In my opinion, that was my accumulation to take Bitcoin to the upside. And since then, I've been following up with price. And as you can see, we're currently at 28,300. And we're getting closer and closer to my point of interest, like as I outlined in the last video I made about Bitcoin, where I outlined that I was expecting Bitcoin to come into this point of interest right here. If I was bearish on Bitcoin, this is where I'll be looking out to accumulate short positions. No financial advice, nothing I say in this video is an investment advice. It's just my opinion, only to be used for educational and entertainment purposes. So do not buy or sell Bitcoin based off my analysis. Always do your own research and also your own analysis before making any investment decisions with your own money. So I'll be watching Bitcoin, and I want to see Bitcoin trade inside my point of interest. And when it does, I'll be watching it closely. If I do see a 1 hour to 4 hour break of structure to the downside, I will investigate to see the point of interest where price actually tapped into right here, where there was the open or the close of this fair value gap. And looking at the 3-week time frame, so you can see this was my last candle that took liquidity, and then we saw a drop. So I wouldn't be surprised for price to come into this position, or here is a valid zone. I wouldn't be surprised for price to come into here between 34,000, and that is very close. And once price does that, if I do see any break of structure to the downside, then it means that we could head lower from here, but no financial advice. And I'm not going to go into any long or short positions. So this is just my analysis, and I don't trade Bitcoin. I only do some investments in crypto, and I use Bitcoin as my indicator whether the crypto market is going to be bullish or bearish. So price could also possibly run through this high, which is very possible. But what I'm looking at is the structure right here. If you look at this, this is the high and this is the low, and we made another high right here, which grabbed liquidity from this high, and after that we broke structure. This is our structure. And where's the last buy that broke this structure right here? It was this candle right here. It was the last buy that sold, broke the structure, left a fair value gap. So in my opinion, I'd expect price to come here, and if this point of interest should validate a sell bias on Bitcoin, it's actually not going to be funny for the entire crypto market. So that being said, no financial advice. I'll be watching price to see what price is going to do when it comes into this place, and I'm not going to be paying attention into anything else, whether I'm going to be a buyer or seller. Once price comes into this POI, into my point of interest, I will just be sitting on the sidelines to see what's going to happen in the market. So guys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I wish you a lovely week ahead.